In this video, we'll give you an overview of your Gateway Bank online banking dashboard and how to customize the information and layout. Once you log in through secure.gcbaz.com, you will land on your dashboard. Your current view may be showing you your account balances at the top, shortcuts to common tasks, a list of recent transactions, recent messages, and current announcements and promotions. If you would like to reorganize this information or add other details to your dashboard, click Organize Dashboard at the bottom of your screen. Then you can move sections around by clicking and dragging each box. You can add new sections by clicking on Add a Card and selecting new sections to add and rearrange, such as remote deposits and transfers. Or you can delete sections by clicking on the X in the top right-hand corner of each card. You can always re-add cards by going back into Add a Card. When you're done organizing your dashboard, click Done. You'll notice some of the individual sections, or cards, may also have their own 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. These provide you with additional display options for that specific card. For instance, on the Transactions card, you can choose the Small Display option, which only shows you the most recent activity, or click on the Large Display option that shows you an extended list of transactions. Some individual cards also have additional features, such as the search function on the Transactions card that provides a shortcut to searching through your transactions, or the shortcut button to start a conversation from your Messages card. Finally, you can click the 3-dot icon above your account balances to reorganize the accounts you see at the top. You can rearrange the order by click and dragging the cards. You can also adjust the display between a compact view or choose the expanded layout if you have more than 2 accounts you would like to see displayed. The Totals view will show you the total balance of all your accounts combined. That's the basics of your online banking dashboard. If you have more questions or need technical support, visit the Help Center on our website for more how-to videos or contact us at 480-358-1000.